experiment was to test if the Aspergers kids at Potomac High School would be impaired on a theory of mind test, which is demonstrated during the eyes task.
Our experience, the IV is if the person has autism or not, and the DV is how they answer the questions.
Seconds. So you have like the numbers and A and B, and you have to circle or A or B. Like you have to decide. So this is number 6. You have to look just for a second.
And then
So
you have to decide which one it is.
number 6, you have to decide A or B.
Which emotion it is.
We write our names on
No. You don't have to. Oh, yes.
Just wrong.
Yeah, just write it just in case.
Okay, this is the second. This is number 8. Number 3. Number 4. Number 9. Number 7. Number 1. Number 5. And number 2. Number 2. This is number 2.
Yes, done.
Show you pictures, and you're gonna have to circle A or B to like which emotion it is, and they're numbered on here. So we're gonna tell you the number, and then you're gonna go to it and circle it for the emotion.
Alright, but quick question. Man, why did you decide to have us both do this at the same time?
Faster, I guess.
Okay.
Well, we're gonna start. Here's 1.
Dang it.
Here's 2. Here's number 3. Four. Five. 6.
You have to, by number, and then you have to record, like, what
To
the
pick
feeling.
A or B
Oh, okay.
by the number. Okay, this is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. That's you.
Thank you.
This is number 4. This is number 5. autistic students answered 62.5% of them answer right and 37.5% of them answer wrong. You understand that you can choose at any time to not take part of the study, and you are a volunteer.
Okay.
So you'll get this paper, and you have to choose A or B by looking at the pictures that I will show you.
Mm-hmm.
So this is number 1.
So what does the picture look like? Here's number 2. No.
No.
Let me see for 3 seconds. Here's 3. This is number 1. Right, this is yeah. Which one do you think it is?
I'll just circle it.
Yeah. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4.
We had 2 groups. Group 1 had 7 subjects with autism. They were all males. And Group 2 had 20 normal students, 10 males, 10 females, age 16 through 17. For our procedure, for the autistic kids, we took two and brought them in a room and showed them each the pictures of the eyes, and then we let it sit there for 3 seconds, and then we pulled it away, and we recorded them. And for the normal students, we went into our cafeteria and we had them all sign consent forms, and we recorded them and did the same thing.
Data that we collected was quantitative and qualitative. The quantitative data was the percent of the right and the wrong answers, and the percent of the right answers of the normal students to see if is any difference between the gender. And the qualitative data was the comments made by the subjects and the confidence in their answers and the emotions on their faces. Our study that females are better on the eye test than males because 57.5% of the females answer right, but just 33.7% of the males answer right to the question.
Our strengths were that we had a high ecological validity because the students just thought they were doing a simple questionnaire for us. We also had a high control because we followed the same method and procedure for all of the students. We had 0 demand characteristics. We eliminated the demand characteristics by using the using only eyes in our theory of the mind task. Our weaknesses were that the Aspergers students had already been tested with other groups, so they had already been exposed to the type of testing that we will be doing. We also had low gender releasability because the only Asperger students we tested were all male, so we couldn't use their data or results for our second aim, which was to test the theory of the mind for males versus females.